Hi, my name is John Weymouth, and I'm the president of MEDiSURG. We are a one-stop shop for eye surgical equipment, and you are watching a series of error codes that we have put together for you to help educate you on what can go wrong with the different phaco systems. If you're interested, subscribe below so that you can be informed when the next video comes out. Today's error code is going to be 163, and this will happen during the priming cycle for the Alcon Infiniti system. So what happens? We press our prime after we have all our lines together, but if there's an obstruction in this line, I'm going to fold over the irrigation line and actually cause it to kink, and then I'm going to advance to the vacuum check settings, and it immediately finds that there's a problem. It says, please check the fittings and reprime, replace the FMS if the problem persists. So there's a whole series, 161, 162, 163, 164. All these have to do with the machine priming. So I'll take that back out. We'll hit OK, reprime. And as long as, here's a little trick for you. If the lines are already primed, you can advance to the vacuum check just by pushing this button, and it bypasses all the filling time that you take, and you actually save some BSS. So everything is working properly here now, and then it'll go right to complete. So we can tell that our vacuum check worked properly. Our FMS is now blue, so that tells us the system is working properly. So remember, if you have any of these error codes during priming, either too much air in the line, or fittings aren't put together properly, or there's a pinch somewhere, just look at your tubings and reevaluate and reprime. Thank you for paying attention. We'll see you the next time.